So here we are, challenge is on, the sky is perfect, there's a helicopter up there. Anyway, here's our first resting spot, place for Liam to play a bit. We made so far about 100 meters, but there are only steps pretty much till this point, and so it's going to be for the rest of the hike. Let's see if I can. We'll try from here to get up there. Let's see if we can make it. Yes, my son, sure, I will. And here at the second resting spot, the view is already quite cool.
The first.
No, it's the second one, Liam.
No, it's the first one.
So beautiful, the view.
Zero.
Can see Shenzhen over there.
Wow, houses.
Lamtun Valley, Lamtun Valley.
That's it.
Yeah.
These
course,
are all Honglokian.
Yeah.
But past the road and river, it's not Honglokian.
But there's no river there, Liam. It's the highway. You can see the highway, silly?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for the
No,
moment.
but I like to start already.
Oh no. Almost finishing your snack?
Yes.
Oh no. So another stop. Now a snack for him. It's good to keep things relaxing, enjoyable. Otherwise only too much work. It's not good. Yeah, just relax a bit. Feels good, Liam? Mm-hmm. Yeah? See, yes, feels good. Okay, the view is pretty much this at this point, or keep going uphill. Way to go. Keep going. Ready, Liam? Ready? Ready? You're on.
I can see the second.
Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Amazing. So the main goal was make it up there, exactly there, but next time. So challenge only halfway accomplished. And the moon up there, so nice. And the little creature. Liam. Wow, so nice.
I'll tell you when you can go, okay?
Sure. I think that's it for today. Good hike overall.
Huh?
Nice to be here. Good
That's
challenge. I mean, it was a challenge only to make it up here, so pretty good. Not bad. More next time.
Earlier was it was the morning, but now it's almost night time, so we're going back home now. And look, there's sunset over there, and we are having this stick and going back home and tickling Daddy's face and going that way to
Home. Yeah.
to go back home, and there's our home.
Yeah, okay, somewhere down there, yeah. Oh.
And we'll go to
The moon.
there, like that, to that red thing, like there.
Yeah, it's true. It'll be night time or sunset will be maybe in 20 minutes, but we still have.
Look,
It'll take us more than how far to get down there.
my daddy.
Silly. All right, let's go. No time to waste, buddy. Bye bye.
You want the raw one?
Yeah.
Only one, okay?
That's so yummy.
Only one, okay?
Yeah. They love it.
Okay, only one.
After a good hike, a hot pot. Happy wife, happy life.